Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be talking about 3D printed Legos. So this is a 3D printed Lego Stormtrooper. It's missing a leg, unfortunately. It got kind of messed up during the print, but it still looks pretty cool. This is more of a model rather than an actual working minifigure. The arms do move up and down, and you can take the head off and stuff, but it's not near as smooth as a normal minifigure. Now getting onto the looks, obviously this looks similar to an actual Lego minifigure and a Stormtrooper, but it doesn't look exactly like it. The helmet doesn't fit on right. It's obviously more messy due to the printing and where the printer might have messed up a little bit. The texture it's a lot lighter than an actual minifigure. It just doesn't have that quality. And I think that's what it's lacking when you 3D print these things out. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think it's a good idea to print these things out and to make more of them yourself? Or do you think it's better to just buy them from Lego? Comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.